Hi, this is a video on how to remove the LCD screen from a HTC Desire. Right, tools we're going to need for this job: a T5 screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver, and an opening tool. Right, so as you can see, I've got HTC Desire here. I want to take the LCD out of it. So, obviously, first thing we need to do: remove the battery cover, remove the battery. If you've got any memory card or SIM card in the phone, we'll remove those as well. So the first thing we're going to need is our T5 screwdriver, and there are 4 screws in each corner of the phone which need to come out. Right, so that's the 4 T5 screws out. Right, now the next thing, we have 2 very small Phillips head screws, one here and one here, either side, which obviously both need to come out. Right, so once they're out, we can start to remove the back. Now the first thing we need to remove is this small little plastic bit at the bottom. Should just come out pretty easy, like that. So we just need to remove that, put that to one side. And the next piece that's going to come off is this other plastic area. Now I'm going to need our opening tool for that. You're just going to need to start along the bottom. Start sliding it along the edges. Like so. As you can see, that's that now removed, and put that to one side. Okay, the next thing we need to do, there is one very small Phillips screwdriver in the top left hand corner, just there, which is going to need to come out. Right, so there's all the screws that need to be removed. They're out. Right, the next thing, there are going to be 3 ribbons that we're going to need to disconnect from this circuit board at the bottom. One is here, the other is there, and the third is just here. So we just pop all these ribbons out. Like so. So that's all the ribbons out. The next thing we're going to be removing is the whole of this back piece. So it's bottom board, this ribbon here, and this top piece. Now obviously be very careful because this ribbon is attached at both ends, so we don't want to rip it or cause any damage to it. Also at the side here, where the volume buttons are, there's a little ribbon attached to it as well, which you're going to need coming out. So be very, very careful. So what we'll do is we try and loosen that first a little bit so it's easier to come out, like that. Okay, so if we get our opening tool, start at the bottom and just lift up the bottom circuit board, like so. Like I said, being very careful because of this ribbon here. So next thing we want to try and do is gently loosen this top circuit board, like so. So that comes out. Like I said, the keys for the volume are still in there, so don't pull it out just yet until we've got in there, loosened them, and so they just pop out like that. And that's the circuit board removed. Right, as you can see, we're now left with this. You can see all these ribbons. So the next thing we want to do is gently peel back this piece here, which is attached to this bottom plastic piece. It should just then come out quite easily, like that. If anything, we have got still, as you can see in the side there, the volume key, and at the top here, the on-off key. You might want to just take those out so you don't lose them. Make sure they don't drop on the floor. Right, so as you can see, we're now down to the LCD screen. Now if your LCD screen isn't broken and you want to just take it out, you might want to think about heating it up with a heat gun or a hairdryer just to loosen up the adhesive so it comes out a little bit easier. If it's smashed, then you can still do the same thing to make it easier to get out, but we don't need to worry about it that much. So obviously now we need to remove the LCD. So if we get our opening tool and just start to obviously run it along the bottom edge, like so. So this can be a bit tricky. There we go, and then just run it all along the side edge, along the top, and then, as you can see, it should just come out like so. And we're left obviously with our front frame and digitizer and our LCD screen. So there we go. That is how to remove the LCD screen from HTC Desire, and thanks for watching.